Number one, keep them in check. Make a deal with them. Tell them, hey, you are not allowed to drive this car unless that dash cam stays on. That way you've got evidence of their driving habits, and it's gonna be in their minds knowing that my parents are watching how I'm driving. Especially if they have kids and their friends with them, it'll discourage them from running red lights, speeding, and doing crazy stuff. The second thing is with young kids, sometimes they get in car accidents and sometimes it's not their fault. I had clients before who were very young and they told me at the scene of the accident, the older driver, who was actually the one that caused it, was trying to blame them for the accident. You don't want your kid getting bullied by somebody trying to blame your kid for it, especially when they're a new driver, they're in an accident, and they're already anxious. That dash cam footage is going to show that your kid did nothing wrong. By you having that footage, it's going to show your kid did nothing wrong, they're not going to get in trouble or grounded or the car taken away from them, and will prevent you from getting sued because you were the parent. So if your kid's driving around and they don't have a dash cam in their car, I'm giving away 500 dash cams by the end of this year, so make sure you follow the Dash Cam Lawyer.